Hey guys, welcome to Zane's Big Bakes, and today I'm going to be making some of my favorite chocolate chip cookies. But before we get started, big shout out to Chef Jay at Old Trail School for introducing me to this recipe. Also, the link of the recipe is in the description. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Before we get started on the dough, make sure you either get an electric mixer or a stand mixer fitted with the paddle attachment. Also, make sure you preheated your oven to 350 degrees. Now let's get started on the dough. First, you want to melt 1 stick of salted butter and cream that together with 1/4 cup of brown sugar and a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Mix on medium-high speed until light and fluffy. Next, you want to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 egg. Make sure to mix on low speed only until just combined. Now we can add the dry ingredients. That would be 1.5 cups of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Make sure to scrape down the sides of the bowls every once in a while so that nothing sticks. Mix on a medium-high speed until crumbles form. After that's finished, add 3/4 cup of chocolate chips and mix on low speed until combined. Now you can get these in the oven at 350 degrees for 9 to 11 minutes. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos every week. Also, leave a comment down below which dessert you want me to do next.